Good evening! Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today, I have my two daughters, Kylene, my oldest, and youngest is Christy. And we have our cameraman is their dad, Ed Henderson. So we have the whole family in here. They're going to help me make this fresh lumpia. Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll put the 1 cup sugar. Actually, I'm doubling the recipe because we have making for a lot of people. So, okay, and then just put that in low heat and we'll just caramelize that sugar in there. Okay, now that our sugar is caramelized, we add water. Okay, and we'll let it boil. Okay, we got our water boiling, so we add our beef bouillon here. I didn't expect that. And then our soy sauce. And then our garlic. Okay, here is the final thing of our sauce. See, that's the consistency that you want on your sauce. Okay? Okay, we'll set this aside and we'll cook the filling. Everything here is homemade. Now we're gonna put the onions. We put the garlic, okay, and then we put this 1 cube of beef bouillon. You could really use chicken, shrimp, you know, it's just a seasoning in there. We'll put our shrimp. Okay, so we'll just stir that in and we'll lower the heat a little bit. And then we'll let that shrimp cook. This is what we use to season this. Is the fish sauce. Okay. And then we'll add our vegetable. First, we'll have the sweet potato first.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, we'll stir that in there.
Oops, a little bit of cabbage got on there.
Okay,
next
then we'll put the carrots.
Carrots. So the beans now.
Then we put the tofu.
Oops, broke a little bit.
That's okay. Ito.
Okay.
Now we'll put the last ingredients is our cabbage. Okay, we're gonna stir it one more time and we're done with this. Okay, now we're gonna put all of this together. The filling, the wrapper, and the sauce. So I'll do...
This is the exciting part.
Yes. And then we put this green on the half of it, and then we'll fill it with our good stuff in here. I should put my thing in here.
Oops, sorry.
That's okay. This is already a meal in itself. Push this a little bit so you have a little bit of dough to work. I mean,
It really is.
work it. And
Meat,
then
veggies.
you just roll them like that, and roll them like that,
Mmm.
and then you pour the sauce.
So, do you have to eat this with a fork then? Is that how you eat it?
Yeah. We'll be generous with our sauce. We have plenty. And then you sprinkle it with the peanut. There you go. So okay, it's Christy's turn and then Kylene's turn.
Oh, the pressure. Okay. Is this one?
Yeah.
Okay. The green leaf lettuce. Oops, this needs more. Stuff in it. Oops. That? More?
That's fine.
Okay.
And you wrap it.
Like this.
Yep. And then you just make it. Oops.
Oops.
Yeah, make sure that thing tuck in first. There you go. And then there's that. There. Perfect, Christy. Good job.
Well, you know, done my share of empanadas.
That sauce is delicious. And you just sprinkle it with that.
Bam!
There you go.
All right.
There's Kylene's turn.
Let me have a go at this. So where do you See
get
if
these
you can
wrappers?
beat me.
We make that.
Oh, you made
That's the one that me and Henry made.
They're like crepes. It's just one.
Yeah. So a bit bigger now. Just gonna make hers look pretty.
Eileen has actually gone to culinary school, so she should be able to do this lickety split.
Went to culinary school and now I'm a nurse.
So is this like a snack in the Philippines, or is it a meal?
Yeah, it's a snack there. Oh, perfect.
Is it something you buy like a street vendor?
It's at Goldilocks. That's the
Oh.
one that has the best fresh lumpia. Really, is Goldilocks. Guys, Goldilocks is kind of like a baked goods and snacks. So we have this.
It's pretty.
Yeah. There you go.
All done.
And all done.
Should we each taste our own?
Go ahead.
I guess we need to get some forks, huh?
we should have Jana taste it and see if she like it, then that's okay.
You started
That's
the
what
best.
this. Yeah. So this one.
Interesting.
I got the tofu in there. Dip in the sauce. Okay. Cheers. Mm-hmm.
It's good.
That's good.
It's very unique.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.